Right, it's Sunday afternoon. We're approaching Allen Gap. Experiencing light rain. So this is the getup. Backpack has got the umbrella attachment. And I got my rain jacket on. Of course, the rain jacket's so hot, so I don't have anything on underneath it. And it seemed to be doing all right. It doesn't rain any heavier. Well, nothing's getting wet. Put the pack cover on over here. So far, the next part of this trail is pretty much flat up until Allen Gap. The only thing that sucks about the umbrella is sometimes I get stuck on things and you don't want it to. But here we are in the rhododendron tunnel, one of many where it gets very, very dark even in the sunny broad daylight. Rhododendrons are in bloom. You can see it over here. That's nice. So far, it's a pretty uneventful part of the trail today. It's only an 8.6 to the next shelter. My second day being back on trail, and well, just easing myself back into it. I'm hoping I can do 15-mile days coming up. Possibly 20s, but as of right now, 11.3 yesterday. That is good enough for me. Plus, it was my first day on trail after 3 weeks off, and also, well, there's a lot of uphill, and it was hot. It's not hot today, which is nice. And the trail is just keeps going, man. It's one of the cool things about the AT. All right, I'm using my trekking poles now.